Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and what your profits are, whether you are clearing out or your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. You can also download an application which is called Facebook. Then you have to sign up and start your inscription. Then you do find this page. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate steps for creating a catchy lessons, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we'll cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So first of all, you have just to click over here and you scroll down, then you click over Marketplace. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So here we have browse all, we have also notification here, inbox, marketplace access, and we have buy in here. Setting also. Then we have here create a new lesson. So I will show you how you can do that. Then you have a location and we have categories here, for example vehicles. You can just select the niche you want to buy. For example here clothing, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff. Then we have garden and outdoors, hobbies also. So you have just to click over create. We have here two lesson types. We have the first thing which is item for sale. Create a single lesson for one or more items to sell. Then we have here the second one which is vehicle for sale. Sell a car, van or other type of vehicle. Then we have here property for sale or rent. List a house or flat for sale or rent. So I'll click over the first one. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So the first steps that we have to do is just add a photo here. Then you click over here. And this is it. So let's wait and you will see the picture of product. For example, I choose this shoes basketball. Then I will write here required to be as descriptive as possible. For example, write title shoes basketball. Then the price here also. Category, we have here home and garden, tools, furniture, household, garden, appliance, entertainment, video games, books, films, and music. Then we have clothing and accessories. For this one, we have bags and luggage. Then we have women's clothing and toes. Then we have men's clothing and shoes. I will click over this one. Then you have to write your condition. If it is new or is it used by click new. So I'll choose this one. Then we have more details, attract more interest by including more details. Then we have here the size. Oh, right, size, coat style, sport coat. Then the fit here. We'll click over modern. Then we have the brand also. Of course, we have Nike here. Then it describes Kyrie shoes basketball. Kyrie Irving Infinity. And then if you scroll down, we have here also availability. List as single item. I will choose the first one. Then we have product tags. Then also we have here SKU, and then we have here optional all visible to you, and we have here location. Then we have meetup preferences. We have buyers will be able to see your preferences on your lesson. We have here pickup, meetup, meet in a public location. You can just click over it. Then we have door pickup, door drop off, and we have your post lesson after it's been published. You can just switch on. Other step to post your lesson after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Then we have here hide from friends. This lesson is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. You have just to switch on. Then we have your marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click for next and you publish it. And also we have your list in more places. Less publicity. You have here you can't add a list to Marketplace at the moment because you are rich. Delay, then you have just publish it if you want. And this is how you can start with that. So, Sale on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while enjoying also cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging these features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn invented items into cash and potentially grow ad-driven side businesses. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with some products on Facebook by using Marketplace. So this is it how it works, and you can just get started as soon as possible. It's very simple. If you have some products, you have just to go to Facebook and you take a picture, then you post it in Marketplace and you earn money with that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.